guys, welcome back to my channel. I am here with a Ipsy versus Ipsy. Okay, funny story. Remember my last Ipsy video and I said, that's it, I'm done, I'm done, I'm done, I'm done, I'm done. Well, I canceled it. At least I thought I canceled it. I was just gonna keep one, so I went in and canceled the other one. I never clicked the cancel button, so here we are with Ipsy versus Ipsy. So let's get into these Ipsy bags. This first bag is mine, and my profile, I filled it out with my true stuff. I'm comfortable with makeup. I'm a 49-year-old female, you know, all that stuff. Because you guys know I get a bag for my husband. He really doesn't wear makeup, but I still get it anyway. But here is my Ipsy bag. I love this bag. I love, it's like Mardi Gras. That's what this reminds me of, the bright, bold, beautiful color and the mask that's on the outside of this bag. And it is indented. It is printed in there. It's not just plastic, you know. And the bag is nice, heavy leather. I love this bag. So let's see what... Oh, it says October 2018. Who said nights were for sleep? And that must be their theme. We all need beauty rest, but there's nothing like the weird and inexplicable things that go down when you stay out late, and post 11 p.m. outings is a killer excuse to take some beauty risk. Tempted? Us too. Here's a few night owl approved ideas to get you started. So, I don't know what the heck that card's about. Let's just get into the makeup of it all. And the first thing I pull out is Take Home the Bronze. And this is from the Balm. I tend to not use too much bronzer, but let's open this up and see. Oh, yeah. Okay. Yep, it's from the Balm Cosmetics, and there is the color. I'll use it. I tend to use it more for eyeshadow, honestly. But the next thing I pull out is from Murad, and it's Environmental Shield Essential Sea Cleanser. I don't know. I think I got enough Murad products myself, but safety seal. Yeah, well. And let's see, we have Aurora. There it is. And this is eyeliner, I believe. Yep, eyeliner, black eyeliner. And there it is. That's a nice fine tip. I like the skinnier tip. It's more precision when you're putting on your eyeliner. Keep expecting my husband to walk in the door. And then we have from Larizzi Cosmetics. This is lip gloss. Okay, and it is in the color Aurora. That's my boxes bent, but there's the packaging, and there is the name. And we are going to put this on because you guys already know how I am. I love putting lip gloss on. Let's see. Oh, it's white. Yeah, it's white. I should have shown you before I put it on, right? There it is. That is pretty. I like that. It smells good. It smells like the beach. Like when you put tanning lotion on, that's what it smells like. Kind of coconutty. I like that. Nice and thick. It's not greasy. I like that. That's nice. I like that. And we have one more thing in here. And this is from Tarte. This is a contour concealer. Let's see here. I love my concealers. That's a good shade for me. I like that. This bag wasn't half bad. Oh, that blends in really good. Really good. That is the perfect shade for me. Perfect. I like that. This bag was I like this bag. Kind of curious to see what's in my husband's bag, because his bag is, he's not comfortable with makeup. Of course, he's a guy. I mean, I suppose some guys could be comfortable with makeup, and there's nothing wrong with that, but my husband is not a makeup man. And there is the bag. Just beautiful bag. I love this bag. My daughter-in-law has already seen the bags. So, and there's the theme again. No time for sleep. And we definitely got a lot of different stuff in here. And the first thing up is from Morphe. I'm excited about this. I am so excited about Morphe products being in here. I'm happy. I don't have any Morphe products, and I am happy, happy, happy to have this. And there is the color. That is beautiful. Look at it's glistening. It's just beautiful. That is the name of the color, Spirit. Let's see. Ooh. Oh, I love that. Oh my goodness, I love that. That is a beautiful blush color. I just absolutely love that. That is beautiful. It's nice and creamy. Just, I love that. That is a win for me. I absolutely love that. My hair is deciding what it wants to do today. Okay, and then next we have from Vogue. I think that's what it says. Sorry, my husband called. I told you I thought he was gonna either come home or call me, so he called. But anyway, this is by Vogues, I think. Vogues. I'm not sure what that says, but it is Strawberry Peppermint Lip Balm. You know me. I love my balms. Oh, it's got the safety seal. There's safety tape or something, whatever you call it. Let's see if we can get it off without destroying everything. Oh my goodness, look, I am missing color on my nail. I did the dishes and I looked down at my nail. The polish was peeling. I paid a lot of money for them to paint my doggone nails, but anyway, there it is. Let's see. Oh, goodness gracious, that came out fast. Let's see. Oh. That smells amazing. It's got like, it's like got glitter in it. Oh, oh wow, the peppermint. The peppermint, I can feel the peppermint, the cooling effect of the peppermint, and I can smell the strawberry. That's nice. I like that. That's going in my purse because that is nice. The refreshing coolness of that peppermint is amazing. I have to say my husband's bag is winning right now. But let's figure out what the heck else is in here. So Susan Cosmetics Color Trip. High intensity color pigment. What the heck is this? It's in the color Mysterious, and there's the package. I'm not sure what this is. I don't know. But there's the packaging, and there is the top. I'm really not so sure what this is. I don't know, guys. I have no idea what this is. I am totally lost. Okay, so if anybody out there got this in their bag, your girl needs some help. First of all, I don't know how to get to whatever this is in here. And it kind of looks like sparkly and glittery, and I would love to get into that, but I don't know how to. It's not even coming out. Yeah, so I don't know how to get into this. I'm going to assume that it is some kind of eyeshadow, maybe. I feel terrible. I can't get into it. It's really pretty color. just says high pigmented intensity color. Yeah, I don't know. It's such a little print down there. I cannot tell what it is. I really am very sorry. I do not know what this is. So if any of you that get Ipsy and you know what this is, please let your girl know, because I have no idea what the heck this is, because it really just says high intensity pigment, high intensity color pigment. So Susan Cosmetics Color Trip. I don't know. It doesn't, it just says to shout them out and say hello, and then on this side it just says the ingredients. I have no idea. So if you guys know, let me know. On with the video, right? Right. Okay, next we have ink dot readable. You glow, girl. And that is, I'm thinking they're using a play on words for incredible. And then, let's see what the heck this is. Let's see. Open. Ooh, ooh. I don't know what the heck this is. It is almost empty, but must have just went to the one side. So let's try and get it off of this first and foremost. Okay. And we're gonna put that over there because it's getting all over me. All right, now let's see what we have going on here. It's all shifted to one side, so. Oh, it's still, I have no idea what this is. It looks to be like, I don't know. It look like Rudolph or something. Maybe it's some kind of glitter. I don't know. I really need to get some glasses. I need my glasses yesterday. That's when I needed them. Okay, so let me see if I can read this little tiny. It says Cosmic Blur. Iridescent Jelly. And that's all it says. Why do they do this to me? I have no card to tell me what the heck it is. It says peel. But with my nails, I can't ever just peel something. So, and then that's all it says. So if you know what this is, let me know, because I have no idea. I have no idea. I feel like a complete and blooming idiot because I have no idea what some of this stuff is. But, I mean, maybe it's primer. Maybe it could be primer. Blur, maybe. Anyway, then we have this by Mana Beauty Simplified. And this is Lip Locked. Step 2. I don't know. Oh, it's got, what do you call it on it? The tape, or not tape. You know what I mean. Come on. I'm having the worst time with this doggone Ipsy bags today. Come on, out, 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 out. Thank you. All right, now here we go, guys. Okay, there is the color, and we'll put it right there. Oh, I like the color, though. That is beautiful. Let's see. Lip Locked. Step 3, Priming Lip Wand. Amore. All right, well, I don't exactly know how to use this or what to do with it, but I'm going to assume it's like some kind of lipstick, maybe? I don't know. But that is it for both of my Ipsies. I think my husband's bag won. Hands down, it is the best bag. The blush is amazing. This color, lip locked, lipstick, I'm assuming it's like lipstick. That's what I would use it for. Is amazing. I love the color. I don't know what the iridescent stuff is. I have no idea what this is, but these three things, the blush, the strawberry peppermint lip balm, and this are amazing. I love all of these, and I like the stuff in my bag. Although my husband got a better bag than me, dang it. But that's okay. It's all right, because he really doesn't use it anyway. I use it. So that is it for my Ipsy versus Ipsy. Let me know below if you know what those two things are, because I'm going to be probably up all night trying to figure out what the heck they are anyway. So you let me know, and then I don't have to get a sleepless night. All right, if you want to try Ipsy, I will leave a link below for you to give Ipsy a try. This month wasn't so bad. I may try another round next month and see what I get. But you know me, if I don't like it, I'm gonna tell you so. These weren't too bad. I'm happy. I am not mad. Not hating these bags this month. Anyway, don't forget to click the subscribe button down there. And I'm probably pointing in the wrong direction again because everything is backwards, so it's probably over there somewhere. But anyway, you guys have an awesome day. I will try to have an awesome day too. Click the link to get your own Ipsy. That's it, guys. I'll see you in the next video. Bye now.